Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing again, and we're also unboxing my bag. One of my dream bags from Louis Vuitton. So come join me. So let's do the LV one, my bag first. It's a crossbody bag. I also have some wallets, Louis Vuitton wallets in here. See the bag first. I got it pre-loved. I've been wanting this bag, but I just didn't want to pay the retail price for it. And then I found a pre-loved one online, so I grabbed it. Oh, it's pretty much brand new. It's brand new. It still has the sticker on here. Wow. I love it. Yeah, it is brand new. Though it didn't come with the box. It's LV Croisette. LV Croisette. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I love it. Yeah, I think it is brand new. It's unused. But I wonder why they didn't give me the box. Maybe because it came internationally from other countries. I love it. This retails for about $2,000 US dollars. Nice. It came with this gas bag though. It's brand new. I can't believe it. It is brand new. Still has the sticker. So this is a handbag. There's nothing wrong with it. Corners are good, everything is good. It's a handbag, and then crossbody, just like that. I love it. I love it. Ah, jackpot. Whoop. It's brand new. No wonder. One of my dream bags, LV Croisette. I want the bag that I really want is from Chanel, the Coco handle, but then it's too much. So I thought I'd settle for this for now, or I don't know. I'm not sure if I can buy the Chanel one, but yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy with this purchase. It wasn't cheap. I still spent thousands of dollars on it, but it was less than the retail, a bit less than the retail. And then we got this sling. I don't know if it's crossbody because I only saw the picture. Yeah, it's adjustable. Huh. Pretty nice. I'll be selling this. I think this is brand new too. Yeah, it's new. I don't think it's been used. Louis Vuitton. I got this because a lot of people are looking for this. This is always sold out on LV site. And I also have short wallets, Epi, short wallets, card case. In this condition, but still LV. So usable, still has a long life in it. This one is short. And then this one is the same but color blue. That's it. And this, I think can be a passport case. I'm not sure. And we also have long ones and makeup pouch from LV Epi. Some birds inside. And this. So we have another one. Long wallet again. Another one. This color yellow. This one is in good shape. And I think this is color brown. I'm not sure. Good condition too. Good use condition. And another one of those. All LV, so we're done with that. If you're interested in buying one of these, just comment below or like and follow my page, my Facebook page. It's LA Boutique. Feel free to message me, personal message me on there. So we'll start with this. These are handbags, mostly Coach and some other brands, I believe. Oh, this one is a watch. Marc Jacobs watch. Oh, nice. Some fading, but pretty. I wonder if it fits me. Yep. Let's wear it for now. Nice. Very nice. This one is brand new with tag. $395. Oh. Nice, huh? Let's put it right here. This one. This is nice too. Still in great condition. I wonder if this is new. The hardware is all gold still. Two-way bag. Nice, nice, nice. Another nice one. Got a sling. Color gray. This one. A tote bag. We have another tote bag. Hi guys, I'm back. So my phone died. I ran out of memory actually. It got cut off. I didn't know, so I unboxed all the bags by myself. But I'm gonna show everything to you guys. Let's start with this one. It's pretty much all Coach tote bag. We have this one. I was saying a while ago that I don't like it when Coach uses this material because it breaks right away and it cracks. Even though the bag is still in good condition, the handles are all cracked. Another tote, Coach Poppy. Then we have a Dooney and Burke tote bag too, with a red interior. And another tote bag. I think this is a big Kelsey bag, just like that. Not mini. And another big Michael Kors. It's nice. And another Michael Kors straw type. Can be used when you go to the beach. Nice. We got a Kate Spade nylon. Looks like one of the Prada bags. We have a sling bag, all pink. I've had one before, the same one. And another sling. Another tote bag. This is for throwaway because the wires at the corners are out. Let's probably give it away to whoever wants it. Then a Kili bag, small one, and another one. I once spent like I think $100 or more on the same bag because I thought it was Gucci. I was bidding on it online. So it went up and up. At the end of the day, I found out it's Gucci. This one is, I guess it's giveaway too because two used. And we have wallet on chain, Betsy Johnson. Cute. And a fashion bag. And this one is Belrose. I don't know this brand, but it's cute. And it's new. Like that. We have a Jessica Simpson, brand new with tag, two-way bag, crossbody shoulder bag, and oops, no, my bag. You have a Steve Madden, big one. Another tote bag. I think this one's I got to show a while ago. This one, tote bag. And another one. I also got this one where you can fold it and put it in a little pouch. It's Coach. And maybe you can take it if you go to the beach and use it when you have wet clothes, or if you go to the market. So instead of bringing like reusable bags. I think this and it's Coach. So you're fancy, Coach Poppy. I think that's all. I think the other ones I've shown already before the video got cut off. These ones. But I'm really happy with this. Brand new. Very nice, huh? Happy with it. I don't even want to use it. Alright guys, that's it for our unboxing. Well, semi-unboxing. It's more like showing you whatever I got. Thank you so much for watching all my videos. If you like any of these, if you'd want to buy any of the bags that I showed you, you can just comment down below or check out my Facebook page. It's LA Boutique, and just PM me there. Yeah, I do unboxing like this every week now, once or twice a week. I'll try to do twice a week now. So please subscribe to my channel, like, give me a thumbs up, and comment down below. And also if you want me to do any other videos, if you want to request anything about physical therapy, exercises for any pain that you're having, just comment down below. I'll try my best to start doing physical therapy videos again. That's it. Thank you so much. Take care and have a good day. Bye bye.